we're gonna just wing it on this one and make some buffalo wings. Welcome to Brian's Back Room. I'm Brian, this is the back room, and this is Brian's Back Room. Today we're gonna be making buffalo wings. So to get started, we've got chicken wings. These are full chicken wings attached. We're gonna break those down. White vinegar, butter, hot sauce, Worcestershire sauce, cayenne pepper, garlic powder, and salt. We're going to add all those to the pot. We're going to start with our sauce first, get that simmering while we break down our wings. For all this, the recipe is in the description below. We're going to take half a stick of butter, drop it in the pot. We've got our butter simmering. We're going to add in our hot sauce, and then we're going to toss in our vinegar, Worcestershire, garlic powder, and salt. And just mix this all up. We'll let that heat up a little while we start breaking down our wings. So we're going to find a joint in the wings. I like to trim the skin up a little here and kind of break the joint back until it exposes from the skin. And then just cut right through. And boom. We have a drumlet. And then this is a winglet. So we want to again snap it, pop the joint. There we go. Okay, now we got our winglet. Then we'll just break down the rest of our wings. Now that we've got our wings all cut up, let's check back in on our sauce. Stir this up, it's looking real good. Looking good to me. Okay, let's turn this off just for now. Put the lid on. So I've got my oil heated up to 400 degrees. It's ready for frying the wings. Once they're done frying, I've got a plate lined with 2 paper towels. I'm going to set the wings on there. I'm going to rest it for a little bit. I'm going to put some sauce in here and toss the wings in this bowl. So, grab all that, ready to go. Start dropping some wings in. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, we've got our wings frying. Sit them there for 10 minutes until they're cooked. If you have more wings than you have room in the pot, you want to make sure the wings are covered. If they're not covered in oil, they're not going to cook properly. So it's more important that you wait and cook in batches. And after you remove the wings that are currently cooking, make sure that the oil has gotten back up to the appropriate temperature. You can add in your new batch of wings. And then just keep working in batches until you've cooked all the wings that you need. Ready. Okay, now that we pulled the wings out, we're going to let them sit for about a minute or so. Just kind of let them cool off for a second. Let some of the oil drip off. Take our sauce, get about a ladle full, just put that on the bottom. That's what we're going to start with. If we need more sauce, we can add it later. Add our other wings in now. Let's take these wings that are now ready. Just slide them in, slide them, slide them in. Take the wings and toss in the sauce. You don't want to have a ton of sauce on these wings, just enough to coat them nice and light. Because if you overdo it, then the wings are just going to get kind of soggy. Set these down. Here we are, homemade buffalo wings. See the steam peeling off them? Obviously the steam peeling off there too. Let's give this a try. Without sauce, real nice crunch, good flavor to the sauce. A little on the ranch. That's how you make a buffalo wing. If you like that video, high five that like button. Aren't already subscribed? Smash the subscribe button, crack that bell, Liberty style. I'll see you next video.